what's up? I'm doing another project. Decided to do a video. I wasn't because I'm trying to get it over real quick, but just a quick video of how to take a test pipe off of a S2000, put back on the catalytic converter. So I'm gonna let y'all hear how it sounds with the test pipe on, and then once I put the catalytic converter back on, I'll let you hear how it sounds afterward. So stay tuned. Be right with you. Gotta move a lot of cars around right now. Alright, y'all might remember the Integra. That's the one I did the how-to turbo install on the Integra. That's my daily. Back here, also, you might remember the Infinity. I did the exhaust mod. Pretty much a free exhaust mod, as long as you got a couple bolts laying around. But check out that video if you want to see that. And the covered one is the S2000. I always leave that one covered because I don't drive it daily. Out here it's hot. I don't want the sun to kill the paint so fast, so I cover it. The not S2000. The Infinity is usually covered also, but my wife been driving that one, so that's why it's uncovered. But let me get this cover off the S2000, fire it up, so y'all can hear how it sounds with the test pipe on. Then I'll show y'all how to take the test pipe off. Now would you look at this, some of you probably saying it ought to be a crime to let a S2000 sit and get all dusty, the leaves blowed all around it. I had it covered, but the cover don't stop dust. I got leaves all on top of it. The head, I don't know if on the camera you can see all the, yeah, you can see some of the dust that's on it, but my bad, y'all. I don't drive it every day, so it tends to get dirty just sitting here. My issue is not really with the dust. It's more of the sun fading the paint and all that kind of stuff. So the dust I can deal with, that'll wash right off. But oh man, look at this side. I don't know if the camera will pick it all up, but look at that. Just horrible. Also, y'all probably wondering, like, why you just don't put it in the garage? Well, there's something else that be in the garage, and I'll get back to y'all on a later note about that vehicle. Y'all can't see that one just yet. So, just showing you how horrible. It was windy the other day, so all these leaves and stuff blew up under the car cover and dust and stuff, but as long as the paint is intact, it's all good. Alright, so this is Apexi exhaust. You can see the stamp on it on the AP1 S2000. I believe these are they call them W2s or WS2s, something like that. I'm not 100% sure. But Apexi exhaust, I'm going to let you see how it sounds on the AP1 S2000. This is with a test pipe, no resonator. And keep in mind, I'm not going to let it run alone, just because I have to get up under the car and remove the test pipe. I don't want to get the exhaust too hot, and now I got to be flipping around with hot metal. So just a quick listen to how it sounds. Cold start, Apexi exhaust, AP1 S2000. So underneath the car, you have the test pipe is this smooth stainless steel part. I gotta get the lighting right, but this long piece right here, kind of bronze looking, that's the test pipe. That's also where the catalytic converter goes. So to remove that, or this, man, let's see here. Come on, camera, focus. You have two screws. This one here has the spring on it. And then if you go around the back side, see, there's another one. You can see it right there. So on the front, there's only two screws. Mine is 12 millimeter. If these are the original bolts, you know, I'm not the original owner of this car. I don't know if they changed it out or not, but mine is 12 millimeters in the front. The back look like, in the back, you can see right here. Come on, camera, focus. There we go. In the back, there's three screws. You can see there's one here, one there, and one at the top up there. So it's three in the back, two in the front. The ones in the back look like they could be, they look like 14s. So it's three 14 millimeters in the back, if they're the OEM bolts. There's two 12 millimeters in the front, and also you need to remove the O2 sensor. Now you can see my O2 sensor is extremely long. It's because I have a spark plug fouler on there. This is used for if you use a test pipe and your check engine light come on. Talking about the O2 sensor. I think they say the something about the reading. So in order to get that go away, you buy a spark plug fouler. There's videos on YouTube to explain how to do it, but it's a spark plug. I think it's a defouler or something like that. And you put them on in front of the O2 sensor. The O2 sensor is in the back where you see the wire going into. And then the two in the front. See if I can get my arm around. The two in the front. This one right here, and then there's another behind it. Those go in before the O2 sensor. But the one, this one right here, that the O2 sensor actually bolts into, that one you have to drill out with a 1-inch drill bit so the O2 sensor can actually fit into it. So this one you're going to drill out with a 1-inch drill bit. Just screw the O2 sensor into this one, and then you screw this one into the other one. They come two in the pack, so you don't have to buy two. It's two already in the pack. And then you just go ahead and thread it into the test pipe. And my check engine light never came back on. This is just a quick, how can I say, a quick explanation on how to do it. Pretty much that's all it is to it. I don't have a number to the part. I believe it was like 900 something, but just look up spark plug fouler for O2 sensor, and you should get some videos for it. So check that out. So back to what was at hand. There's three 14s in the back, two 12s in the front. Don't forget to take out the O2 sensor, and you're all set. So let's get that going right now, and I'll show you how the catalytic converter looks. Okay, this is the O2 sensor. Not the O2 sensor, I'm tripping. That's a big ass O2 sensor. Anyway, this is the catalytic converter. Kind of look like a, what's that? The caterpillar? Oh, look, catalytic converter, caterpillar. You ever see a caterpillar? Kind of look like that. Alright, whatever. I got this towel in it because I didn't want nothing to crawl in it and die. So this is the front of the catalytic converter. That's where the two 12 millimeter bolts go. Then on the back, you see it has the three. So what's up, man?
So I'm Ivan. This is Elias.
That's Ivan. That's Elias. Got the three in the back right there. And then on the side right here, that's where the O2 sensor goes. I usually spray this down with WD-40 or just rub a little grease in it so the O2 don't get stuck. And I'm about to put this bad boy on. I'll be back. Alright, so this is the test pipe right next to the catalytic converter. Back on this spark plug fowler, it's this right here. I found out the numbers. You get them from O'Reilly or AutoZone, a couple dollars. I don't remember exactly how much, but I believe it was under 10. What the heck I was gonna say? Oh, the part number is 42009 and 42002. The only difference between the two item numbers and what's included in the packages, one of them comes with, how can I say, little metal, compression rings or something like that. That's included with it. As you can see, mine, I don't see them on there, so I must have got the one that didn't include the little compression rings. It works fine with me without them. It's up to you. I think the one with the little rings might cost a little bit more, $1 or so. But I'm going to include a picture in this video to show you how the package looks, the item number, and what the package includes. So, this is catalytic converter upside down, I think. Yeah, there's a hole for the O2 sensor to go into. Oh, another thing, I told y'all the sizes of the bolts and things, but the size wrench you need to pull out the O2 sensor is a 7/8. To my understanding, all O2 sensors are 7/8. I've never come across one that wasn't a 7/8. I don't know if maybe diesel engines or something like that might have a bigger O2, or I don't know, but most of the ones I come across is 7/8. That's the size of the one that I took off this S2000. So if you working on the S2000, it's gonna be 7/8. So this is just to show you the difference between the catalytic converter and the test pipe. There's a big weight difference, but let's get this catalytic converter back on there, and I'll show you the finishing product and how it sounds once it's all done. Apex exhaust. Doesn't sound too much different. It's a little lower, but not really. It's actually sound pretty good. I thought it was gonna be real quiet, but it's actually not. As you can see, the test pipe is laying over there. The catalytic converter is on the car. It sounds pretty good. So I like it. I haven't driven it yet, but how it sounds at a cold start sounds pretty good. I need to go get a spot welded on my exhaust. One of my hangers came off, so go find the shop and get that welded real quick. It shouldn't charge me no more than $10, man. Just a little itty bitty spot. So check it out real quick. Try to get it welded up, and a quick video, test pipe to catalytic converter, just to give y'all a quick sound clip. And thank you for tuning in. If you like this video, subscribe. I have more coming to you. Later.